What up, everybody? Check it. Lost Entrepreneur back with another video. Last week's video, you guys were tuning in. I pressed this hollow one, cut through the carrier sheet, ended up still making the shirt. Came out pretty nice. So this week, we got SUPACOLOR transfers. Never did it before. Never tried it before. All new to the t-shirt, everything. And this is going to be a step up to the next thing of once I find my design of how I mass produce that one design. Because everybody finds a sweet spot and nobody wants to sit there and weed out the same design a million times. Because once you get it, it's easier to get a transfer and just have it sit in a little cabinet or something, honestly. So, we're going to be unboxing SUPACOLOR. See that right there? Unbox SUPACOLOR. Get into that. Press it a little bit. See if we mess up. But we're going to see that right after this intro.
Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me. That's a deal, right?
Check it. SUPACOLOR heat transfer sample pack. Never did it before. We're going to take a quick unboxing and take a look at this. This is for the headwear. We're not really going to press this today because I don't have a hat machine and I can try it on the heat press, but that's kind of what they kind of bring you into the sample pack. So you got this little My Lucky cap and also a little SUPACOLOR heat transfers. Also got this one. So it gives you 3 hats. And it seems like they come with a little powder on the back. We gotta get on to the next one, fellas and ladies. Get into this next package. But this ain't too bad. Once I get a little hat press or I try and press it. Did you know, you guys, I'd be wearing hats all day, every day. All day, every day. Got a hat on. But this right here, this is wearable, suitable for all fabric types. This type of transfer right here. Cotton garments, polyester garments, and poly cotton. So basically you can press on anything. Meaning if you pull on the shirt, it ain't gonna come apart like with some vinyl. And it don't look too bad. That's it right there. The colors is actually like, I don't know, I heard it's not too vibrant from what people say. But when you print color, especially with sublimation, it is so hard to not make it bounce and make it ink or drag or slide or whatever you want to call it. With this, you kind of skip that. You send them the design, you buy 100 or you buy whatever, and they just send it back to you already done. I'm telling you, it's all about inconvenience, honestly. Do you really want to sit there and have to weed this design for 100 people or print this design for 100 people? No. But check it out. Yeah. I think we might do this one. We're going to press this one. So we're going to put these 2 back in the bag. This one right here, guys. Dye migration transfer that stops the color of the garment from coming through the transfer. So this is a sub blocker. I guess, I don't know what that honestly means. Kind of looks the same to me with the other ones. I guess it just stops something. I do notice that the back is black instead of white. It's like a little powdery thing. Same thing here. So I'm guessing that powder stops the ink from bleeding or doing something to the shirt. Not entirely sure. But like the actual colors and everything, like it's right on point. So if I do get a transfer and I do send in a design, I wouldn't mind it. Because I do have a design that I want to try out. And I'm thinking about it, but I don't know. We'll see. I wanted to try out this sample color pack and see if I can even press it first. Alright guys, so we're actually over here about a heat press. I waited till it got almost to 300. And that seems like it's a sweet spot in between. You're about to hear it go off. So just give me 1 sec. 1 sec. Anytime now. There it is. Just hit enter and kind of clear that out so you guys ain't hearing that. That means my Tussie heat press just hit 300 degrees, homie. Alright, so check it. Basically, I don't know if y'all can see this, but if you kind of see, You can kind of see the press times right there. And that's just for this one. But each one I have sitting here that I'm going to press. But they each have different press times. Different press times. And they all seem to be at 300 degrees or higher. So I'm going to probably stay at 300 degrees and try and press these and see how it is. Same thing with this, 10 seconds. Seems like they're all 10 to 15 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and press them, see how it goes. And yeah, this first one we're doing is going to be a soft shell blocker. It says press time 10 seconds at 300 degrees. So we're going to pre-press our shirt. I ain't got no parchment paper or anything. Kind of sucks. Hopefully this works out. But I'm going to do this on the left side. Right there. Do it right there. And let me make sure my timer is okay. Do it to 10 seconds. And there we go. Press this down. We're going to do it for 10 seconds. This is a hot peel. If it messes up, it honestly messes up, guys. So that's 10 seconds right there. We're going to peel this up. Come right here. Hot peel. Hot peel. Too quick. Too quick. Look at that. Oh, I almost let it go, but that almost came. It's on there, though. That's my first time ever doing it. Low-key, I'm kind of hyped right now. I almost cursed on camera. I ain't trying to curse on camera. I'm trying to be a good man. But it worked, bruh. It actually worked. I don't know. I'm going to pre-press it. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I'm going to. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That thing looks nice. Oh, my gosh. So that right there, guys, was a sub blocker. It's going to be this soft shell blocker. This one, so it seems like it's the same pressure for both. But we're going to put this one in the middle. Dead set in the middle. See how this goes. Now this one, it's going to be for 10 seconds as well. Let's try this out. I don't know how this is going to be. Kind of nervous. First one worked, so I'm kind of getting kind of confident with it. And I ain't never tried it before. So there's the pop, 10 seconds, don't know. Hot peel, just peel it right off. Don't be scared. So it seems like the hot peel really does work. Seems like you really do just peel it as soon as it's hot. It kind of just comes right off. If you wait a sec, it's going to mess it up, I guess. But we pre-pressing these because I want to see how pre-pressing them kind of looks like. Make sure they're stuck on there. I always pre-press everything I do. But yeah, definitely, shirt's definitely coming out pretty good. I'm definitely going to mess with SUPACOLOR after this. Definitely messing with SUPACOLOR. Super easy to press, it looks like. And that's the last one we doing, guys. This one's kind of dope. I would actually rock this one. I would actually rock this. Should I put it on a shirt? Should I rock a SUPACOLOR shirt? You know what? You know what, guys? You know what, guys? Do you guys know what? I know you guys don't know what, because I don't even know what. Take that shirt off right there. You see that? That's how it looks. Those are those two presses. Now you guys are saying, thinking it's the shirt. I don't know. We're going to try a different shirt. Because this one has 10% polyester. So on this last press, I'm going to try on one of my blue canvas because I might actually wear this. This was just a trial. But the shirt's working, so I'm going to toss that shirt to the side. This all blue Bella Canva shirt, 100% cotton, USA strong. Show you guys how I kind of lay down the shirt too now since I'm doing this. Because I want to see, these are the shirts I kind of like, so I tried it on that little test shirt, but now I'm confident enough to try it on one of these. So I want to see. I'm going to try and get this on the chest piece right there. So lift this. I almost touched the hot. See, that's the thing about this Tussie heat press. You gotta watch your hands. I felt that heat. Felt that heat come on the tip of my finger. Almost tried to get a blister. Almost got a blister. Nah, but all right. So lift that up. I don't know what I'm honestly doing, guys. I'm just trying to align this correctly. I've seen people do it. I'm just eyeballing it. Honestly, if that looks like it's good to me. Nah, it looks like it's a little too high. Let's bring it down a little bit. A little tad bit. Bring it to the left right there. Make it like a little shirt pocket. All right. That looks pretty decent right there. Sorry if I keep sniffling. I'm still a little sick. But let's try this last one. Wearable. Suitable for all fabric types. Not suitable for fabrics that are sublimated or ones that migrate. Don't know what that means. So we just gonna press it. It says manual press, use high settings. 40 PSI. Seems like it's the same PSI for all of them. So, I don't really need to change anything. 10 seconds. Lift it up. Oh, I forgot to pre-press the shirt. I forgot to pre-press the shirt, guys. I forgot to pre-press the shirt. So, we messed up right there. I didn't get all the moisture out of the shirt before we did it. So we're going to hit that for another 10 seconds and just let it hit there. Come up. Hot peel. Hot peel, guys. The reason I repressed it is because I noticed the first time I did not take the moisture out the shirt. So it wasn't going to peel correctly if I would have just ripped it. That's a mistake on my part, but I did notice it before I messed up the product. So that second press we just did, guys, saved our shirt. And this is all just like all instinct I just did. I don't know what you want to call it, but I mean, that looks pretty nice. You telling me that? Oh, it ain't even on camera. That looks pretty nice, guys. Yeah, that thing looks kind of nice. I'm gonna repress it again. I just want to make sure it sticks, because it's gonna be my shirt that I wear. So I'm just trying to make sure it sticks. We're gonna take this through washes too, but hey guys, it actually worked. Bam. Let's check this bad boy off. Take a look at this baby. Ain't too bad. Let's take y'all back to the chair. Take y'all back to the chair, and we're gonna take a look at these products and discuss what we just did. What up, everybody? Welcome back. We just got done pressing. I'm so hyped. I ain't even never do this. Those two I wanted to try and actually wear a SUPACOLOR shirt and actually have a decent SUPACOLOR shirt. So let's throw this on, guys. Let's throw this on real quick. All right, check it out, guys. This ain't too bad. This is my actual shirt size, a large. I am a large. I wear a 2X just because I don't like the tightness on right here, but I don't care. This shirt look nice. This shirt look nice. This shirt is an extra large, 100% cotton, Bella Canva t-shirt. Got it from blankstyle.com. You guys already seen the videos below. Every shirt I got, basically, except for the Dollar Tree shirts, are from there. And yeah, this shirt is so comfortable. I'm telling you. So comfortable. So comfortable. I really love this shirt. But if you guys like what I'm doing, you guys like the channel, you want to continue to see me doing videos like this, then please just drop a like. You ain't even got to subscribe if you ain't feeling what I'm doing. Just tell me why I suck. But check it. See you guys in the next video. Don't know what it is yet, so we're going to find something to do. And I got a week to figure this out. Let's go.